everyone, and welcome to my What's for Supper Sunday videos. This week I'm going to be featuring soup. And what's so great about soup this time of the year? The weather's getting warmer for most of us, not colder. Soup is great, it's easy to make, it is packed with vitamins and just wonderful nutrients that are good for you. It's generally low calorie, it's filling, but it's not a heavy, unless you want to load it up with cream, which I don't recommend. But if it's just a little bit of cream and a little bit of grated cheese, that's fine. All the better, you get some calcium. But try not to do that. That would be a big tip. Don't load it up with cream, no matter what the instructions may say elsewhere. It's just not that good for you. It's also more perishable, and it doesn't freeze as well. A clear soup or a soup with minimal cream will freeze much better and thaw much better, and I've had much greater success with that. Okay. Soup is great this time of year because it is easy and you can keep it in jars in the fridge. You can freeze it. It will thaw fast and you can be on the go. You can be doing things. You can be going out having fun and enjoying life in this wonderful time of year and not have to worry about what's for dinner. So this is What's for Supper Sunday, and you can make this any time of the week that you want. You can make it ahead. Go ahead by all means and make some nice soup today. Make it, whenever you want, and you'll have it on hand. Okay, thank you very much, and I appreciate it. And please like and subscribe. I'm looking to build this channel. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.